When starting to serge on a newly threaded serger here, you'll notice that your two needle threads are coming out over the top of your foot. Maybe your looper threads are just coming out the backside. One thing you can do to really guarantee you have a perfect stitch starting off is even lift a presser foot, slide your fabric under it, and so it just goes right up to the knife. The knife is right here, and it will stop the fabric from going any further. And then as you take the first couple stitches, you could even take them by hand and see how those stitches truly get into position as the looper thread and the needles all connect together. Once you are ready to start, you might even want to take some scissors and trim these needle threads so they're a little shorter and can kind of zip right out the back side. Once you have connected and done your first seam, now you have that continuous chain, and that can keep on going. Now when you put your fabric right up to the foot, it will start to take it in. Now if this fabric's a little thicker, you can always just lift it just a little bit and slide it in just to help it get started. But let that knife first get cutting into your fabric, and then let that serged edge come all the way through. You notice that I sometimes use the little cutter on the front of the serger, but there is a cutter back here on this back corner that you can easily just drop the thread down for cutting. But you'll notice that I tend to just come around because it's fast, it's easy, and I just do it, I think, well, because I've always done it. All right, so we have a perfect serged edge here, and we'll start talking about some of the what if this doesn't look perfect and how to kind of troubleshoot some of your seams in the next couple videos.